Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you some tips and tricks for Windows that either are fun or helpful. Stick till the end of the video to know all of them. First, I want to show you a script that can generate a random password of 5 numbers. You can change the number of the numbers. First, copy this link into a Notepad file. If you want 5, 10 or more numbers, you can copy and paste %random more times. Then, go to File, Save As, and then give it a name. And type .bat at the end. And save it wherever you want. I will save it on my desktop. And when you open it, it says you the password you wanted. The second script that I want to give you shows a matrix effect with numbers or letters. Again, open a Notepad file. Paste this code, which will also be in the description like all of the scripts. You can change the numbers and you can put letters in the spot. And you can change the colors of the text as well. Then again, go to File, Save As. Save it wherever you want. And then give it a name and again .bat at the end. And when you open it, it shows you this awesome matrix effect. The next feature I want to show you, it's called sticky notes. If you don't have $5 to buy them at the supermarket, you have a free version on the computer. Type in the search bar sticky notes and it will show up. Click on them, and it will show you this tab. You want to click Take a Note, and write there whatever you want. Then you can exit of the note and it will be saved automatically. Then, if you enter again sticky notes, it will be here. The last feature I want to show you is how to get your set the size of your pointer, or the mouse however you want. Click the Windows icon, search Settings, and then click Enter. Then, click Ease of Access. Then go here and click Pointer. And then it will show up here, change pointer size and color. Then you can make your pointer gigantic, or make it extremely tiny. Anyway, that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any suggestions, you can leave them in the comments down below. Also, if you want to support me, you can click the like button and subscribe to this channel. It helps me out a lot. Until the next video. Ciao.